Ahoy! Welcome back to another episode of Adventure Sena. We find ourselves deep in the woods in Mount Hood Wilderness. Welcome to Camp Hood Rat. Bear, what you doing, boy? Pretty proud. Most of this entire fire pit is rocks dug up by the boys. This thing that we built to hold the pot is actually man-made. Put together with bungee strings and 505 paracord. Everyone's just well done, dudes. You made a proper camp.
Solid.
This was just a bramble.
Dude, straight up.
The whole place just looked like this, basically, and now it's a proper campsite. Koga! Last night we had s'mores and glizzies. I didn't capture that on film because it was too dark.
Oh, does it not film in the...
It's pretty grainy, man. The GoPros are great for daytime action stuff, but...
Is that a mic on it?
Yeah, this is the media attachment. It gets really f***ing good audio.
Hell yeah. You going up on your YouTube?
Yeah, boys.
Hell yeah.
Hey, Ryan, how was that poop in the woods?
Honestly, it wasn't my favorite poop I ever taken.
It's pretty rough, huh? You have to lean against a tree, or what did you do?
So I finally had to settle for like a log that was kind of wonky. And I basically dug a hole right behind the log and then rested my arms on the log while I squatted down.
Oh, that's a good. You were a squatting tripod crab beast.
And I sat right next to the hole.
You missed. Now you know.
Stick to scoop it in with it.
So now you know it's not Bear's fault when he shits on the bushes, dude. Poor Bear, you're vindicated, buddy.
Yeah, that's what I thought earlier. I guess I'm switching to the other side.
Ryan, give a brief summary of Zom 100, the hentai you're currently vaping on.
It's a new hentai who just came out this year in February. And it's about a guy who hated his job and was burnt out on life, and then a zombie apocalypse happens. And it's crazy and shit, but he loves that shit.
So he loves the fact that the world has ended. I could see the appeal of that.
I'm loading a bowl right now, dog.
It's definitely nice being away from civilization for a little bit.
Oh my god.
Are you pooping right here, David?
Yeah, he just takes his shit right on that log.
Holger was the best cat dog this morning. She like ran around to all the campsites.
Yeah, she went to say hi to everybody. We have just finished creating some breakfast burritos. I think we're about to go explore the lake here in a bit.
Yeah.
Starting out with a little protein. Hey!
Did you get pictures of all this?
Cheese, eggs, bacon.
Here we go, now it's hot.
We have built this fire pit. We have built this pan structure. That's how we cook the bacon right there. You can actually change the heat setting by making these little bungee cords a little tighter. So Easton and Ryan have actually zapped themselves with a taser. What is the voltage on this bad boy?
I don't even know, bro.
It's like 1,000 to 10,000, which is very broad, but...
Oh!
You can hear it when it connects flesh, huh? It makes a different click.
It's not that bad, but yeah. It's
Alright, Gabe, your turn.
Oh, cool. You want to do it, dude?
It's really not that bad. Just one.
Yeah.
It feels like
Yeah,
a
man, I ain't no...
It's not that bad. It doesn't even go through your whole body. It's just, it's very local. It's a local thing. It doesn't lock your whole body up, so. Nope, do it.
No, that actually did hit, bro.
Yeah, okay. I believe that for sure. That was very believable.
No, that shit bites, bro. It feels like a bite, dog.
It doesn't even feel, it's not even like a full body thing. It's like a very local thing.
There's only one, bro.
Yeah. Okay.
He's doing himself.
Oh, he's got it.
Okay. Real quick, just boop. Okay.
Narna.
It's not that bad, huh? See? It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
It bites you a little bit. Kogo was traumatized by the sound of a taser. What's wrong, babies? Are you nervous?
Well, everybody was shocking themselves, so.
She doesn't like tasers. I'm sorry.
Made the food or stuff, you know?
I saw one of the times, yeah.
Yeah, like you're supposed to. I think it's. You're gonna beer at least like. So are we gonna flyers about?
Bear Bear, you having fun, boy? The dogs absolutely love camping, and I can't blame them. Right now, the boys are trying to get Ryan out of his hammock, but it's difficult. Oh, shit. Ah! Let's go to the lake, boys.
Let's do it.
Ryan and East Kid chill here.
We're driving.
Did I not bother you when you were sleeping?
Yes.
He did. He did bother him, Ryan. No, you fuck.
Baguettes.
As he takes it anyway.
Baguettes,
Dude, why even ask?
What? I was just asking for a small amount.
Dude, that's...
Such a small amount.
No, that's reasonable. I appreciate it. You're a good ass dude. You can have another piece now. Just cause you didn't act like a fucking pig man. Thanks for not being a pig man. Like Isaiah, who eats all the butter.
I know, dude. What the fuck was that, dog?
That was rude.
Seriously. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm like, bro, that was our only butter, dog.
You just smashed the big brick. IPA paradise? Dude, let's go to a pancake house for fuck's sake. That's what I'm saying, right, dude? I want some pancakes, motherfucker.
That trailer and they had a hole in their what's it called? Their
Got a wild animal.
It looks like a fox weasel of sorts.
Brian's making it way more out than it is.
This is dramatic, dude.
Yeah, he's being way more dramatic than he thought.
Listen, I fell in this river and I died.
I'm just waiting for you to cross so I can get over there.
Isaiah just waiting boredly while holding a white girl and a white claw. Look at these manimals in the distance. They just man-powered through the bridge. Oh, Koga just jumped in the river. Oh, Damien took a fudge plunge. I'm terrified.
Just put your arms up against it. You'll be fine.
You said this?
Yeah, you're good.
Jesus, dude, that's pretty treacherous. It stays just above the water level, though, huh?
That's good. Yeah, it's really nice. It's nice and sturdy.
We survived yet another trial. All right, so today we're making hood rat stew. We're on Mount Hood in the wilderness, so I'm gonna try not to cut my shit off. Cut all the greens off. You don't need them. And if your carrots fall on the ground, flavor. I almost sliced my hand. Okay. Well, frankly, I'm happy. The memory card and I have another battery.
It actually wasn't recording the whole time. So.
Really? You were just recording it?
I think it was recording for a while, but I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
That's hot. That's hot. So these are lightly battered morels from the Pacific Northwest. Just fried them. About to make Hunter's hood rat stew. These guys are taking all the dirt out of this equation. He wants trash. What, you want trash in the pot? Dude, it's called rustic, you What do you know? I think it's dope that you're smoking a ciggy and just peeling some carrots, man, in the woods. This is hood rat stew. Part of the thing is you have to smoke a ciggy while you peel the carrot. It's part of the recipe now. So if you're not smoking a ciggy while you peel the carrots, you're not making hood stew. You're just making stew. Damien here is our fire bender. He is truly, honestly a godsend because he understands widths of wood and how they impact a fire. You guys are just peeling carrots. I don't know why you're wasting all this time peeling carrots for.
This is how a community functions.
Yeah. What we've got here is all the aromatics for a beautiful hunter stew, which I've adapted the recipe from a Northwestern hunter stew and a Polish hunter stew. And I've also added some specifically Spanish ingredients. So, a lot of paprika and chilies and things that wouldn't be in a Polish or a traditional hunter stew. So, this is gonna be my own twist on a hunter stew. I just love listening to the veggies crackle with beef and pork fat. That's a beautiful thing. And to be honest, the vibes here are just majestic right now. Hunter stew. Northwest mushrooms, beef, carrots, onions, celery, wine. Okay. That's how I'm feeling about this. Hunter stew. Dude.
That looks really good, Tim.
God. We made all this shit, dude. This fire pit didn't exist.
Exactly. That's what's beautiful.
Incredible. Well done.
I took pictures.
We were definitely roughing it out there, but we had a great time and the stew was incredible. As always, thank you for watching Adventure Sena. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notify bell if you enjoyed this video.